Hi friends, good morning to all. Last class, we have teach about de Broglie function. Already I have teach angles, measure, angle measure is degree measure and radian measure and relation between degree and radian. Today I teach about same exercise number 3.1 remaining sums. Exercise 3.1 page number 55. Third question. Exercise 3.1 third question. A wheel max, third question, a wheel max 360 revolutions. A wheel max 360 revolutions in 1 minute. A wheel max 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Okay? Understand? A wheel max 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Okay. Given the number of revolution, number of revolution made by wheel in 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 360. Is equal to 360 revolution. The number of revolution made by the wheel in 1 minute equal to 360. Given information. Find through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Here given 1 minute, then the number of revolution made by the wheel in 1 second is equal to 1 second is equal to 360 divided by 6. How do you know? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 1 minute. That is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here the given information is minutes. But solution is 1 second. Now 1 second. Number of revolution made by the wheel in 1 second is equal to 360 into 1 by 60. 360 into 1 by 60, that is 360 by 60. 0 to cancel. The remaining 36 by 6 revolution. The number of revolution made by the wheel in 1 second equal to 6 revolution. Given 1 minute 360 revolution, then 1 second is equal to 6 revolution. Here radian measure. Will turn angle of radian measure is equal to 6 into 2 pi radian. How's that? Already know 1 complete rotation. 1 complete revolution or rotation is equal to angle is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. So here 6 complete rotation is converted to radian measurement. So 6 into 2 pi radian. 6 into 2 pi radian is equal to 12 pi radian. 12 pi radian measure. Therefore, we will turn an angle of in 1 second. In 1 second. Radian measured in 1 second is equal to 12 pi radian. That's right. 12 pi radian per question. Given information, number of revolution made by the wheel is 1 minute equal to 360. Next we find the number of revolution made by the wheel 1 second. 1 second equals 360 by 60 is equal to 6 complete revolution. 6 complete revolution. So 6 complete revolution is radian measurement. Convert to radian measurement is equal to 6 into 2 by radian is equal to 12 by radian. That is, the total angle of radian measured in 1 second is equal to 12 pi radian. 12 pi radian. That's all. Okay. Next, fourth question. Next one, fourth question. Page number 55. Fourth question. Find the degree measure of an angle. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of a radius 100 centimeter. Radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length is 22 centimeter. Arc of length is 22 centimeter. Use pi is approximately 22 by 7. Again, the question. Find the degree measure of angle. Find the degree measure of angle. That's when theta in degree measure. Degree measure of angle subtended at the center of a circle of a radius is 100 centimeter by an arc of length is 22 centimeter. By an arc of length is 22 centimeter. Given information, radius of circle equal to 100 centimeter, and length of arc length of a circle equal to 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. Okay, right. Then find the angle subtended at the center of the circle. And we know that radius or and arc length of circle L. Then angle, subtended angle at the center theta is L by R radian. L by R radian. Okay. What do you know? Radius of arc length L. Then the angle subtended at the center of the circle theta is equal to L by R radian. L by R radian. Here L is equal to 100 centimeter. This is L. And 20. Radius. This is R. And L equal to 22. L equal to 22. Find theta. Theta is equal to L is 22 centimeter divided by R is 100 centimeter. So radian measure. But find the angle subtended at the degree measure. This radian measure is converted in degree measure. So theta is equal to theta is equal to 22 by 100 in 10. This radian measure is converted into degree measure. Okay, 1 radian already you know. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. 180 divided by 5. Here 22 by 100 is equal to 22 by 100 into 180 degree divided by 5. This means degree pressure. The radial measurement is converted degree measurement. Okay, right. Pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 100 into 180 divided by 22 by 7. 22 by 7. 22 cancel. Okay. 0, 0. Next. 9 2s are 18 and 5 2s are 10. Into 7. 22 by 7. So 22 into 7. That's all. Okay. 9 7s are 63. Divided by 5. Can simplify and degree division using minutes and seconds. Okay. 60 divided by 5. 1 5s are 5. Remaining 1 2 5s are 10. Okay. 12 5s are 6. All 5s are 6. So 12 degree. 12 degree. The remaining 3. So 12 3 divided by 5 degree. That is 12 3 divided by 5 degree. That is mixed fraction. Okay. Is equal to 12 degree. Here 3 by 5 degree is converted minute plus 3 by 5 into 60 minutes. Into 60 minutes. Why is that? You know that 1 degree equals 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Here 3 by 5 degree is converted minutes. So 3 by 5 into 60 minutes. 3 by 5 into 60 minutes. Okay. 12 degree plus 3 into 60. 180 divided by 5 minutes. 12 degree. 180 divided by 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 5s are 30. Okay. 36 minutes. Therefore, subtended angle at the center, degree measure of subtended angle at the center theta is equal to 12 degree 36 minutes. Very simple. Okay, you understand? Also equal radius of given information. Radius of circle is 100 centimeter and the length of the arc of the circle is equal to 22 centimeter. Already we know that theta equal L by R radian. So L is equal to 22. We substitute L equal to 22 and R equal to 100. Okay, 22 by 100 radian is converted into degree pressure. So 22 by 100 into 180 divided by 5. Into 180 divided by 5. This is degree measure. We can simplify 63 divided by 5 degree. It's converted in mixed fraction. So 12 by 5. 12 degree plus 3 by 5 degree is converted in minutes. So multiple 60. Multiple 60. So we can simplify 36 minutes. So this answer is theta angle. Angle of measurement. Angle of measurement given circle at the center. Subtended angle at the center is theta equal to 12 degree 36 minutes. 12 degree 36 minutes. Okay, right. Next one. Fifth question. Okay, next one. Take a book, page number 55. Fifth one question. Exercise 3.1, fifth question. In a circle of a diameter 40 centimeter. In a circle of a diameter 40 centimeter given. Diameter of circle. Equal to 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Okay. The length of the curve is 20 centimeter. Length of the curve is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the curve. Find the length of minor arc of the curve. Once again, read. In a circle of a diameter is 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Minor arc of the chord. The length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Okay. Diameter of the circle is 40 centimeter. The radius of circle, radius of the circle is 40 by 2, 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Given information, diameter of circle have converted radius measurement. So radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. And another one given information, length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Down diagram. Let's consider one circle. Our center. Or the center. Radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. OA and OB. And chord of length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Given information is length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Then find the arc length of minor arc. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. This is major arc. This is minor arc. Arc of AD is minor. This one is fine. Find this one. Okay? Right. Here, AOB is a triangle. AOB is a triangle. Which triangle is that? Which type of triangle is that? O is the center. OA and OB. OA and OB is radius. OA and OB is radius. Consider a triangle AOB. Okay. In triangle AOB, a triangle AOB, O as the center and OA equal OB equal radius. OA and OB is radius, so 20 centimeter. Okay. Next, the chord. Length of the chord AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Equal to radius 20 centimeter and chord is also 20 centimeter. Here, OA equal to OB equal to AB equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, right. For this triangle AOB is which type of triangle? Equal to the triangle. Therefore, three sides are equal. OA, OB and AB are all same. So, a given triangle AOB is equal to triangle. Okay. Equal to triangle, each one angle is 60 degree. Each one angle is 60 degree. That is angle AOB. Angle O and angle B and angle D is always 60. So we have angle certain angle center and center O is equal to angle AOB equal 60 degree. Angle AOB equal to 60 degree. That is theta. That is theta. So theta equal to 60 degree. A 60 degree is degree measurement. This value is converted in radian measurement. So it is converted in radian measurement. So 60 degree is converted in radian measurement. 5 by 3. Theta equal to 5 by 3 radian. Theta equal to 5 by 3 Okay, right. Find the arc length of minor arc length of AB. Minor arc length of AB. Okay, right. Next, how do you know? Radius R, we know that radius R and the length of R L. Then angle subtended at the center theta is equal to L by R radian. L by R radian. Okay. Here we know R equal to 20 centimeter, theta equal to 5 meter. Then find length. And find length of minor of AB. Length of minor of AB. Okay. So theta is 5 degree. This value is substituted in question number 1. Question number 1. So only 5 degree equal to L is not known. Okay, R is equal to 20. R equal to 20 centimeter. So L equal to 5 by 3 into 20 radian. Into 20 radian. Okay. And therefore L equal to 20 5 by 3 radian. 20 5 by 3 radian. Okay, right. 20 5 by 3 radian. Once again, a given question, a diameter of the circle is 40 and length of the chord is 20 centimeters. This given information. Then find the minor arc length of AB. Minor arc length of AB. Okay. Diameter of circle 40 centimeters. So radius of the circle is 40 by 2, 40 centimeters. Okay. Right. Let us take a new circle. Center is O. Was the center. Here OA is radius and OB is also radius. So 20 centimeters. And chord length is, I have already given information, 20 centimeter. So AD is also 20 centimeter. Here triangle AOB, here OA and OB and AB is also same. So given triangle AOB is equal to triangle. Equal to triangle. Because three sides are equal, so this triangle is equal. So triangle theta is equal to 5 by 3 radian. That is 60 degrees converted radian measurement. So 5 by 3 radian. So radius, when we know that the formula radius R and length of the arc length is L. Then angle subtended at the center is theta equal to L by R radian. So substitute L R value and theta, then find value of L is equal to 20 pi by 3 radians. Okay, right. Next one. Next 6 question. Right, page number 55. Same exercise. 6th one question. If in two circles, also of the same length, two circles is arc length is same. Subtended angle 60 degree. Subtended angle 60 degree and 75 degree. One angle is 60 degree, another one angle is 75 degree. At the center, find the ratio of the radii. Find the ratio of the radii. And given information, if in two circles, let's R1, let us take R1 and R2. Or radius of two circles. given one angle is angle subtended at the center. Is theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. Here the radius is to be R1. One angle subtended at the center is theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. Second, the first circle. And second circle. This angle is theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. 75 degree. Okay. This value is converted in a radian measure. Radian measure. For theta 1 equals 60 degree. 60 degree is converted in radian measure is 5 by 3 radian. 5 by 3 radian. So you know 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay. And its radian measurement you know. Okay. Next 75 degree. 75 degree is converted in radian measure. So 75 degree into 5 by 180. 5 by 180. 1 5 are 5. Remain 45 5 550 into 5 by 180. 36. Okay. 36. So simplify 5 is of 15 and 12. 5 by 5. 5 by 12. That is 75 degrees converted to radian is 5 by 5. 75 degree. Theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. It is equal to 5 by 5. Radian. Okay. Right. Next. Given information. First one angle is theta 1 equals 60 degree and another angle of circle is 75 degree. So the 60 degree is converted in radian measure, so 5 degree radian. And second circle, next angle circle the center of the angle is 75 degree is converted in radian measure, so 5 by 12 radian. Okay. Next one given information, given arc length of the circle is same. Yes, same. So L1 equal to L. L1 equal to L. Okay. Already you know L is equal to R theta. L equal to R theta. That is theta equal to L by R. Theta equal to L by R. So L equal to R theta. Right. The substituting first circle angle is theta 1 and radius is R1. So L1 is equal to R1 theta 1. R1 theta 1 is equal to L2 is equal to R2 theta. L2 equal to R2 theta. Here R1 into theta 1. Theta 1 value is 5 by 3 radian. 5 by 3 radian. So 5 by 3 is equal to R2 into theta 2 value 5 by 12. So 5 by 12. Okay. 5 is going to cancel. Remaining R1 divided by this value is divided by R2. R1 by R2 is equal to 5 by 12 into 3. 5 by 12 into 3. Here 3 is divided by 3. Denominator. Right hand side is multiple of 3 is equal to cancel 3 and 4 3 circle, so 5 by 4. R1 by R2 is equal to 5 by 4. R1 by R2 is equal to 5 by 4. Okay. Find the ratio of the radii. Okay. That's all. Final answer. Then the ratio of radii is ratio of the radii. R1 is R2. R1 by R2 is equal to 5:4. This is the correct answer. This is correct answer. Once again, given two circles and another one given information, length of the arc length of the circle is same. Arc length of the circle is same. And the next one arc angle subtended at the center of the first circle is 60 degree and second circle is 75 degree. The given value is converted in graded question. Okay, already you know the length of the arc is equal to r into theta radian. R into theta radian. Here r length is same, so L1 equal to L2. L1 equal to L2. So L1 is r1 theta 1 and L2 is r2 theta 2. Here theta 1 is 5/3 and theta 2 is equal to 5/12. Here substitute and simplify r1 by r2 is equal to 5/4. Then the ratio of radii is r1 is to r2 is equal to 5:4. Okay, right. Next, last question. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 cm. Its length is 75 cm. You know pendulum? This is pendulum. Okay, right. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swing if its length is 75 centimeters. So its length is 75 centimeters. Okay, right. What was the apex? Okay, and its length. This is pendulum. Their length is 75 centimeter. OA and OB is 75 centimeter. Okay. And the tip describes an arc of length is following 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter. The first question is 10 centimeter. First question is 10 centimeter arc length. Equal to 10 centimeter arc length AB. Okay, given information and pendulum length is 75 centimeter. Pendulum its length is 75 centimeter and arc length is 10 centimeter. Arc length is 10 centimeter. First question 10 centimeter. And then theta is equal to, this is theta. Angle subtended at the center. Okay, theta is equal to L by R radian. L by R radian. So theta is equal to L is 45. L is 45 centimeter and length of arc is L. So L is 10 centimeter. Here the 75 is a radius. So this is the radius of circle. Here R is equal to 75 centimeter. R equal to 75 centimeter. That is R equal to 75 centimeter. Okay, right. theta equal to L by R, L value 10 centimeter and R value 46 centimeter. So 10 by 45, 10 by 45. 2 5s are 10 and 15 5s are 2 divided by 15 radian. 2 divided by 15 radian. Here the correct answer is radian measurement. So theta equal to 2 divided by 15 radian. Theta equal to 2 divided by 15 radian. First question. And second one, arc length L is equal to, second question, 15 centimeters. Similarly, we can solve theta equal to L by R. L is 15, R is equal to solid. R is equal to solid. Is equal to 1 divided by 5. Okay. 1 divided by 1, 15 is 15, 5 is 70. Okay. 5. 1 by 5 radian. Next, third one. Third is 21 centimeter. Arc length L is equal to 21 centimeter. L equal to 21 centimeter. For R equal to, theta is equal to L by R. Here R is also 75. So 21 divided by 75 radian. We can do the total. 7 3s are 21, 1 3, 2 3s are 6, and 5 3s are 20. Solve with theta is equal to 7 divided by 25. Okay? That's all. Very important. L equal to R theta formula. Then theta equal to L by R radian. Here length, that is radius. Radius is 75 centimeter, and the length of arc in first question is 12 centimeter. Second question 15 centimeter. Third question 20 centimeter. So find theta. Okay, right. Remaining examples are all similarly you can solve. Okay, great. Thank you. Next class. Okay, bye.